What you're seeing isn't a movie scene. It's Monday morning on a modern ranch. While you're drinking your coffee, cowboys in the sky are moving living rivers of cattle across landscapes bigger than some countries. This is the hidden world of industrial cattle farming, where technology meets tradition in ways that will blow your mind. By the end of this video, you'll discover how artificial intelligence feeds breakfast to 100,000 cows simultaneously, why some cattle get luxury helicopter rides, and the jaw-dropping journey from grassland to your dinner plate. Trust me, you've never seen farming like this. Sky Cowboy's revolution picture ranches so vast they make entire cities look like postage stamps. Properties spanning millions of acres, bigger than European countries. Traditional cowboys on horseback would need weeks to gather these herds, but modern ranchers have found a game-changing solution that sounds like science fiction. Meet the aerial cowboys. These helicopter pilots don't just fly, they conduct symphonies of movement with thousands of cattle below. One skilled pilot can do the work of 20 ground workers, guiding massive herds with surgical precision. Here's what's incredible. The cattle actually prefer it this way. Ground herding stresses animals, but helicopter herding is like a gentle breeze guiding them home. And when health issues arise, these aerial guardians spot problems from above, before they become disasters. But if you think helicopter herding is impressive, wait until you see what happens when cattle actually need to fly. First-class flight for cows. This isn't a rescue operation. This is premium cattle transport. When terrain becomes impossible and time is critical, these four-legged passengers get VIP treatment. Helicopter taxi service to their new home. Remote mountain pastures, islands, or flood-devastated areas where no truck can reach become accessible when you have wings. These helicopter rides aren't just faster, they're actually less stressful than days-long ground transport in cramped trailers. Instead of a grueling road trip, these cattle enjoy scenic flights and land directly in paradise. Fresh mountain air, crystal clear water, and endless grass. It's like first-class travel, but for cows. Some animals really do live better than humans. Now, once these cattle reach their destination, feeding them becomes a logistical nightmare that would humble Amazon's supply chain. They powered feeding revolution. Feeding 100,000 cattle isn't just about throwing hay over a fence. It's an engineering marvel, happening 3 times daily. Welcome to Precision Nutrition, where robots have become ultimate farmhands. These AI-powered feeding robots analyze each cow's nutritional needs, mix perfect blends of grains, proteins, and supplements, then deliver customized meals down miles of feeding alleys. We're talking tons of feed mixed to pharmaceutical precision. Total mixed ration systems create the perfect meal every time. Imagine having a personal nutritionist and chef that never sleeps, never takes breaks, and never makes mistakes. A single megafarm processes over 1,000 tons of feed daily, serving meals to herds larger than small town populations. And it all happens automatically, monitored by sensors that would make space programs jealous. But with great scale comes great responsibility, and the cattle industry is facing its biggest challenge yet, the green revolution. Here's a shocking number. Each cow produces 220 pounds of methane annually. Multiply by 1.5 billion cattle worldwide, and you're looking at environmental impact equivalent to millions of cars. But before you panic, let me show you how innovation is changing everything. Scientists developed methane-reducing feed additives, cutting emissions by 80%, seaweed supplements, specialized probiotics, even genetically modified bacteria transforming cow digestion from environmental problem to solution. Progressive farms now capture methane to power their operations. Cow burps literally light up farms and run equipment. Waste-to-energy systems turn pollution into profit, creating circular economies that make environmentalists weep with joy. The animals live better than ever. Automated manure scrapers, climate-controlled barns, comfortable bedding systems. Happy cows don't just produce better meat, they're the key to sustainable farming. But every story has an ending, and for these cattle, that ending is where technology becomes even more crucial. The precision journey. The journey from farm to processing isn't just transportation. It's carefully choreographed operation designed around minimizing stress. These aren't ordinary trucks. They're mobile comfort zones engineered for precious cargo. Anti-slip floors prevent injuries. Soft LED lighting keeps animals calm. Automatic water systems ensure hydration. Advanced ventilation creates perfect environments. Before any cow steps onto transport, they undergo thorough health inspections. Sawdust bedding cushions every step. Loading ramps curve naturally for cattle movement. This isn't just humane, it's smart business, because stressed animals produce inferior meat. What happens next is where centuries-old craftsmanship meets cutting-edge technology in unexpected ways. Art meets science. Modern processing facilities aren't just factories, they're cathedrals of precision where every step is monitored, measured, and perfected. Humane stunning ensures peaceful transition. Then automated systems take over with robotic precision. Hide removal systems work with surgical accuracy, transforming what becomes luxury leather goods. Organ removal and inspection happen under microscopic scrutiny, ensuring every product meets highest safety standards. Temperature-controlled environments maintain crucial 32-39°F, preserving color, texture, and tenderness. Master butchers then transform carcasses into premium cuts, tenderloin, ribeye, brisket, each requiring years of skill to perfect. Everything gets vacuum-sealed, barcoded, and distributed globally within hours. Powerful conclusion. From helicopters herding cattle across endless horizons to robots serving AI-crafted meals. From luxury air transport to precision processing, every bite of beef carries an extraordinary story of scale, science, and transformation. This isn't just farming. It's feeding humanity through innovation. The next time you enjoy that perfect steak, remember the sky cowboys, the flying cows, and the invisible army of technology making it all possible. What surprised you most? Cows in helicopters or robots feeding 100,000 cattle daily? Drop your thoughts below, and if this opened your eyes to agriculture's hidden world, hit subscribe, because next week we're diving into something even more incredible. How king crabs survive the world's deadliest waters to reach your dinner table.